Hi guys, again I'm here. My name is Octavio Bilondo Jr. and this is my second video regarding our projects in DICT. So one of the projects of DICT is the implementation of PKI or Public Key Infrastructure. So PKI is very important in securing your data online. Okay, so PKI means Public Key Infrastructure. It is a technology wherein uh, each person who applies for a digital certificate will be given a public key and a private key. Okay, so this public key and a private key you will use in securing your emails and documents transmitted online. Okay, so for example, you want to send an email to your colleague, and then you want this email to be secured. Okay, so you want this to be, you have to do, you will do is to use PKI. Okay, because PKI has the technology in encrypting public documents online. Okay, so but before that you have to apply for a PKI certificates uh, at the DICT. Okay, so all you have to do is go to the DICT office, our office, and uh, you have to submit the application form. This application form can be downloaded at the DICT website. Okay, so after you download this application form, you fill it up, and then at the back of the application form, there are requirements you have to submit. Okay, so you have to bring this application form and the requirements to the DICT office, and our officer or RA officer will assist you. Will receive these documents, and we will and you will be having a face-to-face verification. Okay, so so that the area officer can verify that it is really you, okay, who applied for the certificate. So some of the requirements are birth certificates, your uh, any government IDs like the ones in used in GIS and SSS, the humid ID. Okay, so it is there at the back of the application form. So you have to comply with that, and then submit to DICT, and DICT will process your application. Okay, so you have to have a valid email address, because after the processing of your application, the DICT will inform you through your email address about the status of your PKI application. So the ICT will email to you the links where to download your digital certificates. Okay, so after that, after you have downloaded your digital certificates, you have to install it in your computer. So you have to use the PKI store. It is in your computers. So after that, after you have installed it in your computer, then it is there is settings there wherein you have to put password for it. Okay, so what you will be downloading is the private key and the public key. Okay, so but the public key is included in the certificate. The private key is generated when you download your certificate. Okay, so after that, when it is installed, you can use uh, your email client. You have to install it in your email client, so that every time you send emails, you have the option to sign it digitally or you have to encrypt it. Okay, so digitally signed emails can only be opened by the assigned recipient, because the recipient has the private key to unlock it. So you are the sender. You have to use his public key to encrypt the message, so that when it arrives at the recipient will decrypt the message. Okay, so that's one way of ensuring that the message you send is uh, is real. It is not tampered with during the transition, and it is authentic, because your digital certificate is vouched by the Philippine government. So the Philippine government vouches for your identity online. So so your digital certificates will be your ID online, so that your recipient, the recipient of your emails, can be assured that the emails really came from you. Okay, so that's one way of securing emails, and the other documents. Okay, so also if you send something in PDF form, you can also encrypt that in PDF form. You can digitally sign it, and it will not be altered during transition. Okay, so in your government, in your in your organization or government agencies, if you want to have a secure communication, you need to use the PKI. It is right now it is free. Okay, so the government is uh, giving it for free right now, and I don't know how long will it last. But during our uh, during our registration, it's still free. Okay, so I have it, and also during my renewal, it's still free. So the government is still giving it for free. So all you have to do is apply for it. And also, digital certificates, it's not only for personal use. If you have a software, or if you have a website, you can apply it at the PNPKI, the Philippine National Public Infrastructure, which is a project of the DICT and the DOST. Okay, so um, you can use it. You can use it to secure your website. Okay, so that your website will be can have the SSL certificates. SSL certificate means the secure socket layer. So it is safe. So when the internet users saw your favicon icon in the address, that it has a secure icon, it means that your site is safe to to surf with, to visit. It is safe because it is secured. Okay. So even if in your organization, you can still apply. You can apply for the organizational certificate, the PKI certificate for organizations. So it is all there in the ICT website, specifically http dict/PNPKI. You have all the information there needed to use the PKI. And by the way, at Davao del Norte, I am one of the registration officer. So if you are in Davao del Norte and you want to avail of the PKI services of the government, you can go to our office at the DICT office in front of the post office in Mabini Street, Tagum City. and look for me. I will assist you in the application of your PKI. Thank you and good day.